Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will work for, we will see in our systems how we can use the pop-ups. Okay. I am already in the Reactive Web application. We have two entities, movies and comments. And the comments will show in the pop-ups, so you can do the comments for the movie. First, I will use the scaffolding for the movie. Just drag and drop here. The system will automatically create the two screens, which will be like master and details from the one which is listing of the movies. And then when you click, there is a link between them. You can go to the movies detail and you can see the details of each movie. Okay. First, I will just change the name of this one. Movie details. Okay. Good. Cool. Come here. Okay, this is my detail screen. I will delete this image and try to bring the begin of the comment. Okay. Good. These are my comments. I don't need the movies. Just remove this column and the rest is fine. Okay. Comment in the comment type and the creation date. Okay. Now I need the pop-up. So just type here pop-up. This is my pop-up. Drag and drop in the footer. Okay. Okay, pop-up is here now. Now the trick is how we can go to the the backend screen. You just click on this one. Okay. Two options. Once you click on this one, you can go to the pop-up screen, and the second one you can go back to the screen. And for the pop-up, also I need a form to so all validations and can take place. For this one, I need the comment, drag and drop here. Okay, I don't know the movie ID, I don't know the creation date. These two will be automatically set. Who will say this one, how it can work. Okay. Sometimes this is a little tricky. So what you can do, you can go to the widget tree, and if you want to delete something, it will be more easy than that. You will have more control in that. Okay, here this is the you see this is the form, and these are the containers we have. This container is the button. You go here, this is the movie ID, just leave this one, and the creation date. Okay, the remaining will be the comment where you can tag the comment for each move. Okay, now this is my save button. I'll go here where the third operation will take place. For this one, what I can do, once you tap the comment, you put the save button, what will happen? Okay, you go come here. So this is my get comments. Okay. I have the creation date, which will be the current date, and the movie ID will come from where? From the movie ID. Okay. And one thing more. Okay. After this, the third operation will take place. I want to clear the record for the comments. So I will drop this one, new server action. Go come here. This is my action. Okay. Create comments. Okay. Okay. What will I pass to this one? There is input parameter, which is source. Okay. And make this comment. As the comment entity, we will pass one record. And the output is the ID. Okay. Comment type. Comment identified. Okay. Now, once we double click on this one, we will come here. Okay. And this is the create comment. Just drag and drop it. Okay, that's the parameter which is source. And also, if you come here, you can see in the clear, the ID is the output parameter. We will set it there. Okay, ID equals the returning ID. Okay, all code. Okay, now for this one, I need to pass parameter to this one. What parameter I'll pass? Get current ID, current one. Okay, cool. And after that, one thing more. Just you will, we need one more parameter to show and hide the pop-up. Okay, a local parameter, show pop-up. Okay, and this is Boolean by default, it should be false. And here, I will set this one. Show pop-up do false. Okay, good. Okay, it's fine now. Now, one thing remaining, my screen, I should have the option that I can edit the comment. So here, I will add a button. And this button, when you click on this button, this will redirect me to the show pop-up. Show pop-up, true. Okay. Now the show pop-up variable, we have used it in the buttons, in the save button and the add comment, but we didn't specify in the pop-up. So once you go there, see still the error is there. So it means this property we need to set. Show pop-up, from where it will come? It will come from the show pop-up variable. See, this is green now. So everything is cool now. Okay, this is one screen. Just check for anonymous, so it will not ask for the username and password. One thing more. You see, this is comment. This get comments by movie ID. This is okay. It's coming here. But I also again drag the entity to the show in the pop-up screen, which is here. What it's doing, it will give you one comment per comment ID, this ID. But this is wrong. We don't want to pass it like this one. Here, I will need to display all the IDs based not on the comment ID, but on the movie ID. So what I can do, this condition is wrong. Okay. Just come here, movie ID equals, okay. No, it's okay. Okay, fine. I think we are all good to go. Let's publish this application to see what happens, how it looks. Sometimes you see, you will see this red line as this one. To me, this comment ID is not used anywhere, so you can remove. Okay. Okay. This is my movie screen. 400 blows. I will click and go to the edge screen, retail screen. You see there are no comments. If you want to add comment, I will click add. Here, I'll just put a comment. For example, this one, a wonderful movie. Just click save. Once I saved it, the comment has been already created, but it's not showing here. Why? Because we are missing one thing. I click here. Okay. After this, we need to refresh my data. Okay. The publishing, it publish, upload, uploading, compiling, and then deployment, and then it will be ready for screening from the browser. Okay. You run it from there or just refresh it? Okay. Okay. It's appearing now. The second time I go ahead. Okay. Now another comment. This time I have to make a refresh. Okay. Cool. But there is one thing still. When I go to the 8 comments, my previous comment is showing here. It shouldn't like this one because if I click save, the same comment will be saved twice. What I can do here, go ahead. Okay, this is my 8 comments button here. Before showing the pop-up, I should do something. This comment field, the attribute need to be null identifier. Null identifier. Make it like this. Okay, cool. And then show the pop-up. Okay, this is okay. And one thing more, if I go there, if I click the 8 comments, and there is the user does not fill the comments, and even though it clicks the save button, so it should not add the empty record in the comments table. What we can do for that from here. Okay. Here we can add one validation before the form.validation. We can add this validation. You see now the comment, if the comment is null, we will not add the record in the database. Okay. This is called null. Null text identifier. Okay. If it's true, I'll just set the show pop-up. Show pop-up will be false. And then end it. If it is not, if not, this logic will be executed. Let's go for this. Publish, and we'll see from the browser how it works. See the logic, you can put your own logic. It depends on the developer or the programmer. And this, all other things are just drag and drop. They have made it very easy. You have to add something from yourself because it depends on the requirements. It's custom requirements. It can change anyway. Okay. Here, okay. Go ahead to this movie. There is no comments in the second one. I'll just put some comment. Okay. Save. Scroll. Now I go here. See, the previous comment is not showing. And if I press save, the empty record will not be saved. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.